Well, we're watching a storm system in the southwest that'll move across much of the central and eastern U.S., bringing the potential for severe weather and snow in the northeast. So we have this big upper level low that's been sitting over the southwest here for the last couple of days, bringing some showers to California, but not a lot of rain and not exactly where we need it. But this is going to be the focal point for a system that's going to develop for the central U.S., bringing the potential for some severe weather to Louisiana, and then lots of moisture for most of the central and south central U.S. into the northeast. So that upper level low will become a faster moving upper level wave, and that will be the focus for that potential storm development. On Thursday is when we're looking at the potential for more severe weather, but already Wednesday into Wednesday night we'll see showers and thunderstorms across Texas and Oklahoma, and then the severe threat as we head into Thursday. And then that system moves east. We're looking at heavy snow for the Great Lakes into the northeast, and another system that could affect the north central U.S. as we head into the weekend. But a lot of moisture with this system. The liquid equivalent precip is going to be substantial here. We'll zoom in across parts of Oklahoma into Arkansas, and you see 2 to 3 inches of rain here over the course of the week here, Wednesday into Thursday and Friday with that system. So lots of water, and in the northeast it'll be snow. Now they're seeing some snow squalls today, but this system will deliver more snow. So in total today into Friday, we're talking about over a foot of snow for parts of upstate New York, Vermont, and New Hampshire. And then the threat of severe weather Thursday into Thursday night. Slight risk right now, eastern Texas into much of Louisiana. Now, not really impressive as far as instability values, but we are going to see the potential for some upper level dynamics to create a couple of strong storms. So we'll see some showers and thunderstorms overnight Wednesday night, and then a line of storms developing Thursday, late Thursday into Thursday night and Friday that'll sweep across Louisiana, Arkansas, into Mississippi and Alabama, with the potential, again, of some severe weather. Now, as I mentioned, the instability or CAPE, convective available potential energy value, is not particularly impressive. More of it as you head into Louisiana, but when we look at those crossover winds, winds aloft versus winds at the surface, we do get some decent crossover. So a couple of tornadoes not out of the question, but primarily a large hail threat and maybe some gusty winds out of some of those storms. And to date for 2025, of course, we're only, 3.5 weeks in. Most of that severe weather has been confined to Mississippi and Louisiana. That's where we've seen tornadoes, and that is pretty typical for this point in the season. January 28th climatology tomorrow puts that risk of any severe weather mostly into Louisiana and Mississippi at this time of year. Still a pretty low chance, but if we see severe weather this time of year, it's typically in those areas. And when we look at January and February tornado climatology, it is those southern states, Louisiana, Mississippi, Alabama, even into Georgia, where you have the best chance of seeing some tornadoes and severe weather. But of course, as we head into March, things really get going across Texas and the southern plains, and then obviously expanding north and eastward as we head through spring.